Hi, I'm working as a Salesforce developer at Cloud Analogy for the past 2 years. Cloud Analogy is a certified CRM development company that offers services such as Salesforce implementation, development, customization, and data immigration. We are proud to say that we have 20 plus certified experts and we have 5 apps available on Salesforce App Exchange. Today in this video, I'm going to demonstrate on one of my projects which is based on the financial domain. It is known as Equipment Calculator. Equipment Calculator, it is used as a calculating equipment, loans, outsource, behavior, unrecordable feature as well as some additional payment option. We have added an equipment calculator on the opportunity page. On this page, we are going to fill out some fields. For example, I will be entering my name in the customer name field and then I will select the date by visiting the date column. I can then select the ITC level. Similarly, I will be entering the data in the other field of the equipment calculator. In the setting field, you can see information about default settings, also, we can put any number of data as much as desired base rate and the corresponding data will get populated. This data will be related to the repayment rate, customer rate, etc. This is what the equipment calculator is all about. As you can see, there is also an option to email a quote using which you can send a quotation to an existing or potential client. You can even click on the repayment schedule icon to get details about the repayment schedule. Once you have clicked on to it, you will be able to see all the details related to the equipment loan. Here you can see there are 2 sections, published and non-published. Now let me show you the details of the published section where you can see the details of each and every month's repayment amount and the count of pending month for which the equipment loan is due. You can now click onto the additional payment icon to add on the additional payment if required. If you have made this selection, you will be required to click onto the Recalculate button before you can view the changes. Now you can see the amount has changed after I have made the changes on the additional payment screen. The same logic will be followed in the non-published section screen. Now, click onto the close screen in order to return back to your original screen. If you need any help regarding how to utilize the equipment calculator, please feel free to contact us at Cloud Analogy.